So the other day, I talked about this motor and these. And this is what procrastination will get you. Thousands of dollars in damage. Because you can see, I played a game of dominoes and lost. Because the rack collapsed. And today, I get to pay for that. Ultimate collapse. With a hell of a lot of labor and trying to fish each and every one of these out of here is gonna suck like a lot. And some of these are really good motors. I mean, those guys were nice stuff. And now there's a lot of damage. So being the king of the procrastinators doesn't make you a king. It makes you a dumbass.